Sapiens, I'm Isha and welcome to Isha Suggests. And today I'll be doing a TBR video, to be read book pile video. And in this video I'll be sharing all the books that I'll be reading for the stay at home reading rush. In these difficult times, as no e-commerce sites are delivering us books, I'll be sticking to the books that are available on Scribd for everyone for this challenge. Scribd is currently offering 30 days of free access to all its ebooks and audiobooks, and the best part about the deal is that you don't even have to share your credit card details to log in. And the link to the app would be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. This is not a Scribd paid or a sponsored video. Also Scribd, if you're looking to sponsor someone, hi, how are you? This reading rush is divided into 4 challenges. For the first challenge, you have to read a book which has a house on its cover, because we all are staying at home. And the book that I've selected for this challenge is the one that Scribd recommended with the name House Arrest. So this book is perfect for this challenge because it has house both on its cover and its title. This book has some really great reviews and all that, so I'm really excited for this one. And also, all the books that I've selected for this challenge are not tiresome and bulky, because this reading rush requires us to complete at least 4 books. So let's challenge ourselves and complete this readathon. For the second challenge, you have to read a book by being in the same room for the whole time. For this challenge, I've picked 2 books and both of them being classics. The first one is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. I really wanted to read this book for a long time, and for some reason I couldn't. But now that I have all the time, I hope I'll be able to knock it off my TBR pile. The other one is the graphic adaptation of Khaled Hosseini's Kite Runner. And this book is just 150 pages long, and I'll hopefully complete this in one sitting. For the third challenge, you're supposed to read a book set in a place where you want to go. And I have 2 books once again. The first one is The Forest of Enchantments. So this is a retelling of Ramayana. So I cannot definitely go there, but it would be great to live in a town where an epic is taking place. For the second book, I have The Alchemist, which is set in Egypt, the land of pyramids, and a place I always dreamt of going. For the fourth and the final challenge, you have to read a book that makes you smile, because in these difficult times, we need to smile more and spread positivity around. So this time I have 3 books, not 2. And the first one is Simon Voice's Homo Sapiens Agenda. I've heard a lot about this book and people say how funny and relatable it is. I hope it's worth the hype. The other 2 books are my childhood favorite comic, and one of them is Peanuts. So there are many Peanut titles available on the Scribd, but I'll be reading this one because it has such a cute cover, and I judge books by their cover. Weird, but I do. And the other one is Calvin and Hobbes by Bill Watterson. For this, it turns out I also have the complete box set. Oh, this is heavy. Heavier than I thought. Well, that's all the books I want to read for this readathon. I hope this reading rush will help you distress, chill out, and inculcate the habit of reading. And let me know in the comment section if you're ready for this challenge and what 4 books you want to complete. I hope you enjoyed my video, and you know the drill. Like, subscribe and share. Till then, happy quarantine. Bye bye.